In order to use voice to text on a Redmi A7 Pro, let's say I'm gonna use Google Messages in this example. You want to go to the conversation to whom you want to send the message. Then you can tap on the text message field. Let me actually delete everything that I have in here. And on the right side at the top of the keyboard, you should be able to find this microphone. So you should be able to tap on it. If needed, grant all the necessary permissions. And you should be able to say things out loud, and they should be converted into a text. Now, usually it needs a couple of seconds before it actually starts working. Let's say we're gonna tap again because it didn't work for the first time. But there we go. Now it actually caught up and it works. Now, in case you don't have this microphone in here, you can tap on these 4 squares on the left side, and you can go to settings by tapping on this gear icon in here. Once you open keyboard settings, you want to go to voice typing, and you want to make sure that this option is enabled. Leave a like and subscribe.